We're in Geometry 1111, still on pages 38 and 39. We'll talk about making lines perpendicular and from a point on a line. So I'm going to just choose an arbitrary point. I'm going to do it in the middle. I'm going to do it over here to the side just a little bit. And I want to make a perpendicular that goes right through that point and is perpendicular to that line. All right? So again, I'm going to use my handy dandy compass. For me, it's string. And I'm going to put the metal point right on that point and sweep an arc. And then come over here on this side, same metal point, sweep an arc right there. All right? Now, these two are equidistant from this point in the middle. And now I can go up above it and sweep an arc. I made it longer, obviously. And then I come over here, keeping exactly the same distance, put the point there, and sweep an arc, okay? So this distance is the same as from here, and then sweep an arc. And again, try to use a very sharp pencil point, because that way when those lines come together, it'll be a nice, crisp meeting point. If you have a dull pencil, then it's going to look like that, and you're going to have a hard time knowing where you should be connecting the dots. All right? Now I'm going to connect this dot down here with this connection point, and we have a perfect 90-degree angle, okay? Let's do one more real quick. This time, I want to illustrate how we would, let's say we have a point somewhere up here off the line, and I want to draw it perpendicular to a line, okay? Drop my string, let me pick it up. So this is my compass. First step is to put the point on that point and sweep an arc out here and sweep an arc across here. All right? And my line's kind of faint, so I'm just going to kind of fill it in so I can see it more clearly. All right, there we go. Then the next step is we take these 2 points, all right, and we're going to go down here below the line and sweep an arc, and then come over here to this intersecting point and sweep an arc. Now watch this. I can connect down here where those lines intersected and the original point up here above the line. And we have now formed a line perpendicular to this line going through that point. So let's review this again real quick, just orally. You start with this point and you sweep this arc. That way this distance, which is the radius of this circle, is the same distance away from here. We use these as both starting points to create arcs down here. So from here to here and from here to here. When those intersect, and maybe that's a little bit off the screen, I guess you can see it. So where those intersect, you connect that point and the starting point up there, and you have perpendicular lines.